Good evening, students. So we'll start in another 2 minutes.
Good evening, sir.
Let's others also join. Please turn on the video. Vivian, Vedika, Pershan.
అరే బంద్ ఎందుకు బంద్ చేసినావు
చదివితే కదా నీకు
ఆందే
So let's start. See, in previous session we have seen one trick was going on. See, this was I think seventh. See, this was fifth trick, multiplication of any number with 11. Then sixth one was here we have sixth one. See what we can name for this trick. Sixth one we were discussing. This was fifth number. Then sixth number will be. We can name this as 1 second. This will be sixth number. So this will be, we can say, multiplication of any number, any 2-digit number near 200. See, we'll write this trick as, put the heading as multiplication of any two, basically two numbers near 100. Near 100 will multiply near 100. So this is basic one method of multiplying any two number near 100. This is the method. So 8 questions we have seen. We'll see some more questions. And timing was actually I have one more session from 6 to 7. That's why 4:30 to 5:30 is today's Vedic math session. No problem. Now I'll see next one. See, still 4 question will solve for this trick. Same trick we'll do. That is basically multiplication of two numbers near to 100. Same trick. Trick number 6. So this is question number trick number 6, and same trick, multiplication. Put the heading in classwork notebook. Multiplication of any two number near to 100. Basically numbers will be near to 100. That will be the case here. And others numbers also we can try, but for this numbers near to 100, this trick will be very much helpful. Let us take one example. So here we have seen some examples. Okay, fine. This is 9th number question. Try this one. 94 into 96. 94 into 96. Same method. And first 3 students I will call them by name, because first 3 will see who are the first 3 students who solve this multiplication quickly. (94, 96). Okay, Vedika, Pratusha, 2 of them. Pratibha means top 3 students are this one: Pratusha, Pratibha, and Pratibha, and this one Pratusha also. Vedika, fine. Others also I got answers. Samarth, Darshan, Xavier, right? Everybody having right answer. So what is the method? See, 94 is there, and 96. So we have to multiply basically. So numbers are near to 100. So we can apply this trick. What is the trick? It is by how much it is less than 100? It is by 6. So we will put -6. Right, Hemant and Tanvi. -6. Here is how much it is less than 100? 4. -4. Less than -4. Now we'll do cross. Cross means basically subtraction. So 94 minus 4, 90. 96 minus 6, 90. This will be same for both the cross values. 94 minus 4, 90. 96 minus 6, 90. And this will multiply. 6 4 are 24, but plus 24, because minus minus plus. Product will be 90, 24 will be the final and correct answer. Right. This was 90, 24. Next question, question number 10. Right, all of you are correct. Basically, I got answer from most of them. Hemant, Roshan, Samarth, Vivian, Rashul, Pratibha, all are having correct. Okay. This question we'll see. Suppose we have value very far away value. Suppose we have value 89
Disturbance.
to 111. What will be the product values? Okay, I got answer from Rashul and Hemant. Okay, good. So first three students I will call the name because basically they have done very quickly. Because now timing is important here. Vedic maths. So Chanchal, are you new or you are attending first time Vedic math session?
Sir, I'm attending it for first
Not
time.
audible your voice.
Hello, sir.
Chat option also. See. Pratusha, Tanzila, Vedika. Vedika, once again you can check the answer
Sir, can you
because
tell the
others are
first?
having different answer. See, how we will solve this question. So Chanchal and others who are new to this session, they can understand this trick. 89 and we have 111. So how much it is less than 100 by 11? So we'll take minus 11 because less than 100 by minus 11. It is more than 100 by 11. So will be plus 11, right? Plus 11 because it is more than 100 by plus 11. We'll do cross. So 111 minus 11 will be 100. 111 minus 1100 or 89 plus 11 will be 100. Anyone we can do, both will have same value. Correct. Now this will multiply. This is multiply 6 4 24. Similarly 11 11 121 but with minus sign because plus minus minus plus minus 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 121. What was the next exception here? Because we are getting minus, so we'll put a star mark and here we'll add more than minus 121, that is 200 value. 200 will add, I will subtract here minus 2. 200 then will subtract minus 2. That is the process. Suppose if we add 100, then we subtract minus 1. We are adding 200, then we subtract minus 2. So this will be 200 if we do. So this will be 79 and this will be 98. So 98, 79 is the value. Okay? All of you are getting same value, 98, 78. Correct. Correct.
Sir, can you
Pratika,
explain
Pratusha,
once again?
Vedika, please solve once again. Zevin is right, Tanvi is right, correct. Samarth is also right, Hemant also right, Rashul, Hemant, right, everybody is right. So 98, 79 is the answer. If any doubt anyone, you can ask. So answer will be 98, 79, correct.
Excuse me, sir.
Correct, Vedika. So anyone if find it difficulty now, then they can write in chat directly to me. IDK, that is, I don't know. Because more than minus 121 will be 200. So 200 minus 120 79 and then 100 minus 2 98. So 98 79 will be the product value. Okay, Chanchal. I might get disconnected. Okay, no problem, Steve. So recording also now in YouTube we have this channel of this Chanakya tutorial. So on YouTube also you can go through videos of Vedic maths and other chapters which are this one left behind. And specific doubt you can ask in session also, no problem. See, once again we'll see for Chanchal because she is new for this session. Let me repeat once again for her. 89 and 1 to 111 we have to multiply. So say one value is less than 100, one value is more than 100. That is basically exception case. We can put a star mark. So how much by how much this is less than 100? 11 minus 11. By how much it is more than 11? 11 basically. Then that means plus 11. More means plus, less means minus. Just to write. And then we will do cross subtraction or addition. So 89 plus 11, 100. 111 minus 11, 100. This will be same for any value. 89 plus 11, 100. 111 minus 11, 100. No problem. And that means we are doing correct. Our method is correct. Now we will multiply this one. This value is we will multiply So 11 11 121, 11 square 121 with minus sign, because plus minus is minus, plus minus is minus. Now we are getting 100 and other value is minus 121. What was trick here? If we are getting minus 121, that is means more than 100, that means more than 100, then we will add plus more than 100 means minus 121 is here, to more than this value means positive, in more than this value in positive sense, plus 200. And here for this term we'll add plus 200, and here we'll subtract minus 2. That is the method, basically that is the method. If we are adding 100, we'll see some more questions, so essential, please don't panic. We'll see more questions, 2 questions are still remaining, so slowly this concepts will be more clear. So we'll add 200 here, and here minus 2. If we add if we had added if we added 100 here, then we'll subtract minus 1. If I added adding 200, then minus 2, 300, then minus 3. That is the method. So 200 minus 121, 79. 100 minus 2, 98. So this is product is 98, 79. So this value is basically product of this value is 98, 79. 98, 79 will be the product value. Oh, 98, 79 we can write here, no problem. That is product value. Got it? Now we'll see some more cases, because more cases now, different types of questions we'll see, so that our concepts are more clear. Next question, 11 number. This was very far away value, that's why we had to add 200. Suppose Chanchal, you can try this time. 90, suppose we have 96, and here we have let us take this value 109, and let me know the answer. Same process, and I'm waiting for first 3 response. Okay, Amant, Rashul, both of you are correct, and third student is, the first 3 are important, right? Xavier, correct. So first 3 I got the answers.
Who is the third one, sir?
See, Pratibha, you can try once again, because answer is not correct. Tanvi is right. Abhinav, please try. Right, Tenzila, your answer is correct. Persian also right.
Sir, do we need to take 100 only? Sir,
Fine, time over. Now we'll see how we can perform. Chanchal, you got the answer. You can use chat option also to respond to give me answer. Ashish also correct. Plus, but please try to do as quickly as possible. Okay, Chanchal, we'll see. We'll see once again for you. What is the method? For others also who are finding difficulty, we'll see. For every question, I will also solve for you. For those questions, those students who are finding difficulty, 96 will write, and 109. See, multiplication we have to do. These numbers are near to 100, so we can apply this trick. By how much it is less than 100? 4, then minus 4. How much it is more than 100? 9, plus 9. We'll do cross. So 109 minus 4. 109 minus 4, 105, no problem. And 96 plus 9 is also 105, so this will be same. And this value will multiply. 9, 4, 36, plus, but minus sign, because plus minus is minus, plus minus is minus. So minus 36, and minus 36 we are getting. So more than minus 36 in positive sense will be 100. Means 1's place, 10's place should be 0. So more than minus 6, more than minus 36, but in positive sense 100. Then we subtract here minus 1. That is the trick. And this will be 64, and here will be 104. So product will be 10464 will be the answer. 10464. Correct. Any doubt? Because 96 is how much time it is less than, how many, by how many numbers it is less than 100? 4 minus 4 less minus 4, more than 100 by 9 plus 4. Then we'll do cross 109 minus 4 105, or 96 plus 9 is also 105, and 94 we will do product 94 36 with minus sign minus 36. So minus, more than minus 36 in positive sense will be 100, and we'll subtract here 1. So 100 minus 36 64, and 105 minus 1 104. You get the answer. I have repeated also. Fine. Same method will do, because minus 36 we are getting, so more than minus 36 will be 100, not 200. Nearest value that have 100 and ones place and 100 plus 0 0, that is 100. Then we'll subtract here minus 1. Same, this is one term, this is another term. So minus 36 plus 100 will be 64, and 105 minus 1 104. We'll club these values to get the final product 10464. Right.
Sir, can we take 50 also? Yeah, only 100.
Got the understanding, Chanchal? You got the answer? Any doubt?
Sir, shall we take 100 only or 50 also we can take?
Okay. Now we'll see next question. One more question we'll see. Suppose we have 99 into 121. (99) into 121. Quickly, everyone will try. Okay, Rashul, Pratusha, answer is correct. Abhinav, please try once again. Yes, you can verify the answer, Abhinav. Others are having right answer. Yes, right means Persian also. Once again, Persian, please verify, because we're getting different answers from everyone of you this time. Mostly you are having same answer 11978. So those who are getting 11978, it's fine. Others can once again this now verify the answer. 11, actually it should be 11979. At the end it will come 9, because 9 ones are 9. Okay, 11979
Yes,
is
sir, it is
correct answer. Right,
11979,
Ashish?
sir.
Yes, Someone also right answer. Samarth also right. See, same method 99 121. So what is the method basically? Right, then we also correct answer. So how much it is less than 100? 100 is the reference value. So 1 less than 100 by 1 minus 1. More than 100 by 21 plus 21. We'll do cross. So which is easier option? 121 minus 1. 120 will be easier option. Here also we'll get 99 plus 21 will be same. 120 only, but 120 we write here. Now 21 into minus 1 will be minus 21. Minus 21. Same method. It is basically less than 100. Negative value but less than 100. So we'll, next higher value, positive value will be 100 and minus 1. Same method. 100 and minus 1. So this will be 100 minus 21 will be 79, and 120 minus 1 will be 119. So 119, 79 will be the final and correct answer. Final and correct answer. Anyone having any doubt, they can ask. Especially
Sir, so
Chanchal
what?
and Abhinav and others who have joined recently. Hemant also.
So can you hear me? Hello. Hello. Sir, are you able to hear me?
Right, Chanchal. 100 we have to take because numbers are near to 100, and this trick is basically applicable when numbers are near to 100. 100 is our reference value. Right. So see, PDF I have already shared in this Google Classroom. So Chanchal and others can download those PDF and try to all the classwork questions only by yourself. Answer is given, but try to solve by yourself and then you can see the answer if it's correct or not. But that will be helpful. Once again, all the classwork questions, because 12 questions are we are doing, that is more than sufficient to retain the this not trick. To retain means to understand the trick and to remember basically. 12 is question is more than sufficient for one trick. Right. Now we'll see next one. Next trick means this was say sixth number. Now we'll see seventh one. Seventh one we'll see. So please try to solve all the classwork questions once again, because for every trick now we are doing how many questions? 12 questions. So up till now we have done 6 trick. 6 into 12, 72 basically questions are there. 72. So you can try, means that will be good for you to this now, to make this tricks this now clear. Now I'll see seventh one. 1 second. So seventh number one I will name it after this now. After solving some questions, suppose you have to multiply 64 into 15 in 3 seconds. Anyone quickly? 1, 2, 3. Time over. So this will be 960 is the answer. 960 will be the product of 64 into 15. What is the method here? What is the trick or what is the method here? See, method is basic simple method. Okay, for multiplication with 15, this trick will be applicable. What is the trick here? 64 will write as it is, 64 will write as it is, and then we will add 64 with half of this value. Half of 64 will be 32. Add this value, 4 to 6, 639, and then we'll last at the end we'll multiply with 10. 960 we got the answer. One second, let me explain. So 64 is multiplied with 15. So any number if you're multiplying with 15, so same number we write here, and half of that number, half means we can divide by 2 easily. We can write 64 half is 64 half will be 32. So 32 we write here in the just below the 64, and we'll add the value 4 to 6 and 639, and then we'll multiply once we get this additional value 96, we'll multiply with 10. 960 will be the final, we can say, value. Understood everyone? Any doubt? Because we'll see questions after this. Understood? Suppose question is, no, this was suppose
Yes, I got.
first one. Second, suppose we have 98 into 15. Same trick, same pattern we'll use for this one. What will be the value? Anyone? Same method. 1470. Correct. Rashul, Pratusha also correct.
Yes,
So
sir.
quickly we can
147.
multiply. We don't have to actually multiply. Actual method we don't have to apply. That is the basically trick, or you can say shortcut. Right, then we also correct. Pratibha also correct. Abhinav also correct. All of you are correct. See, 98 we write half of 98. Half of 98 will be 49. Many times we have this we have done. 98 half is 49. We'll addition. So this will be 9877 carry 1, 94 31 14, and we'll multiply by 10 means 1 0 will put. Multiplying by 10 means 1 0 will put in the right hand side to get the value 1470. I don't think anyone will have any doubt in this trick. Very simple. Correct, Sarah. Chanchal, I hope this trick you will understand easily because we have just started. Still, if anyone having doubt, then they can write IDK. Otherwise, I will assume you are getting, means all of you are getting this trick. That is only one option, because you are not writing IDK, then I will assume you are understood, you are getting this trick. Now I'll see some more questions. So suppose we have third number, 32 into 15. In 1 second we can write value. What is the value? 32 into 15. 480 will be the value. Simple, because correct. Right, Abhinav, and other students also right. Because 32 half is 16, we can simply add 32 16 48, 1 0 will put. 0 means we are multiplying with 0, so 0 will come in right hand side, correct. 480 will be very simple values. Suppose next one, fourth one, I will not solve, but you can try 76 into 15, and we'll see next higher values also. So for 15, this is the trick, right, Sarah, Tanzila and Abhinav. So this one next trick you can solve 76 into 15, same method.
Mic method.
Pratibha, please check and verify and try once again. Rashul, Pershan, Xavier, Aurora. Xavier also please try once again. Sarah answer is correct. See. Mohammed also right answer. Tenzil also correct. Xavier correct. Chanchal, what about you? You are able to
Sir,
solve because this trick we have just
I
started.
cannot.
So I want answer from you. What about remaining students? Vedika, Soumya, please try this question.
Sir, actually, this is from my
See,
mother's
once
account
again,
which
easy
I'm
question.
using.
So 76 is there. Half of 76 will be, we can divide by 2. 3 2 ja 6. 1 is remaining. 1 6 16. So 8 2 ja 16. Simple addition, simple division. Add 8 6 14. 4 carry 1. 10 1 11. 1 0 will put because we are multiplying with 10. So that is basic approach. 1 1 4 0 will be the value. Right, then we. Now let's see some more quick cases. Some more cases. Suppose we have value 21 into 15. Can we apply this same method? Correct, Abhinav, 315. Because, right. We'll solve, but I want answer from all of you. Hemant also right. So only I got answers from 2 of the students. Right, Pratibha Samarth also correct. Chanchal, last at the end we have to multiply with 10 also, no? So answer will be 315. 31.5 no value, not. Actual answer will be 315 because at the end we have to multiply with 10 also. Right, Sarah and Tenzila, correct answer. So 21 is there, and then we have to add half of this. Half of 21 will be 10.5. We know our 10 double is 20, and 11 double is 22. Half of this 21, 10.5. We'll do simple addition. 5 1 3, and we'll multiply with 10 at the end. So 315 will be the final and correct answer. Right, Chanchal, no, correct. Samarth, your voice is not audible. Actually, I am able to see your chat because you can unmute and then you can speak. You can otherwise say the answer.
Sir, can you now hear me?
No problem. Chat option is also good. See, sixth question we'll see now. Suppose we have big values 4 2 6 8 into 15. Can you apply same trick here? Big values 4 2 6 8 into 15. Same trick is same, value is bit higher side, but we can apply same trick to get the answer. Anyone? Right, Hemant and Avinav. And Persian also. In Persian, please try once again. Right. Answer is correct. 6 will be in front. Right, Tanzila. Pratibha also correct answer. So most of you are getting the right answer. Pratyusha also right. Devin also right. Chanchal, please try. Samarth also right. Mohammed also right answer. So Vedika, please try. Sarah. Chanchal also right answer. Right. So most of you have got correct answer. So same method, 4, 2, 6, 8. Half of this value will be, we can divide by 2, 2, 1, 3, 4, simple addition. 8, 4, 12, 2 carry 1, 6, 3, 9, 1, 10, 0 carry 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 6, and 1, 0 at the end. So 6, 4, 0, 2, 0 will be the right answer because we have to multiply with right issue. Your answer is also correct. So now we'll see some more cases, some more questions to get this trick more clear. 6 number this was question number 7. Right, sir. Answer is correct. Suppose we have value 2, 3, 4, 6 into 15. We'll see now bigger values only. Some bigger values we'll see, some questions. Now we'll see. What will be the answer for this one? 2, 3, 4, 6 into 15. Right, Hemant, Persian, Xavier. Xavier, please try once again because answer is some different value others are getting. Samarthi also correct. Can we please try once again? Mohammed also. Mohammed, please try once again. Answer is not correct. Because most of you are getting 35190. So I am assuming 35190 as the right answer. 80% of you 80% of you are getting 35190. So those who are not getting 35190, they can try once again. Check the answer, or we can say verify the answer. Three five one zero is right answer, correct. So those who are not getting 35190, please try once again. So see, value will be 2, 3, 4, 6. We can divide by 2, 1, then 2 1 ja 2, 1 will be remaining, 1 4 14, the 7 2 ja 14, and 3 2 ja 6. We will do addition. 9, 11 carry 1, 3 1 4 1 5, 2 1 3, and 1 0. Correct. At the end we will put 1 0. Correct. Right. 35190 will be the right answer. Suppose we have more bigger values, 987654 into 15. Please try this one. 3 4 questions are remaining. We'll see those also. Then we'll move to next trick. 987654 into 15. These are basically even values. Even this last term is even. For odd value also we can apply same method. I got answer from Hemant. Okay. 987654 into 15. 148148. Correct, Hemant. Your answer is right. 10 also right answer. Abhinav, please try once again. Abhinav, please verify your answer. Pratibha, right answer. Varshan, Chanchal, correct. Both of you are correct. Except this now. Except Abhinav and others are having right answer. Abhinav and then Mohammed. Mohammed also please try once again. Rashul, correct answer. See, Javin also right. So same method. 987654. Half of this value will 4. 1 8 18, 9 2 ja 18, 3 2 ja 6, 1 6 16, 8 2 ja 16, 2 2 ja 4, 1 7 14, 7 2 ja 14. Plus we'll do 11 carry 1, 7 1 8, 6 8 14 carry 1, 8 3 11 carry 1, 9 9 18 carry 1, 14, and 1 0 at the end. So 1 4, this is 8 1 4 8 1 0 will be the right answer. Right answer is correct. So others can note the solution, and then we'll move to next question. Ninth number. So for 15, this is also one we can say shortcut, because for 15 we don't have to multiply, we have to add the number just below that particular number. Half of this number we can add and then apply 0. We can multiply with 0 at the end or put the 0 value. Suppose value is 0.098 into 15. So can we apply, let me write some other value 98 because we have already seen. Suppose we have 984, no problem. So this we have to find. So can you apply same method? Okay, month 1 point some value we are getting. Okay, so most of you are getting same value. So Xavier, please try once again. Pershan, Vedika, Samarth and Tusha, everyone having same value. Same value means I hope that will be the correct answer. Abhinav also, once again you can try. Others are having correct answer. Pratibha also, please try once again. Sarah, it seems answer is correct. Because decimal value is also there, no? So decimal value is also there. So we have to this now accordingly we have to put the decimal point. Muhammad also right answer. Xavier also correct. See, we'll see. So this value is basically 0.0984. Half divided by half will do 0.0. Basic division by 2. So this will be 4 2 is 8. 1 will be carry. So 1 will be remaining. 1 8 18. 9 2 is 18 and 2 2 is 4. We'll add these values. So this will be 4 2 6 8 9 17 7 carry 1 9 4 13 1 14 14 and then see after this decimal 4 digits are there, so we'll after this decimal 4 digit correct, this is the value, and then what was the rule, we'll multiply it with 10 also to get the final answer. So 1.476 will be the final value, because we'll add by half of this value, half of 0.094, that is 0.0492, and then multiply with 10. So Avino answer will be 1.476 correct. So those who got 1.476, then you can put tick mark against your answer. Others can try, others can solve once again. So decimal also we can apply the same trick, and just we have to at the end we have to multiply with 10 after doing addition. Next question. (0.19876) into 15. 0.19876 into 15. This we have to solve. Okay. So 2.9814 is answer from most of you. So I'm assuming this is the right answer. So others who are not getting 2.9814,